This is how to save a contact, that's a phone number, on an iPhone. First, you will see the phone icon at the bottom part of the home screen. So tap on it. If you are not here, maybe you're on the favorites tab or on the recent tabs, tap on the keypad tab. Okay, this is where I am. So be on the keypad tab. All right, so tap there. And once you tap there, then start entering your phone number. If you want to include the country code of the phone number, you long press on the 0. Then we introduce the plus sign, all right? And it will show some contacts on your phone that start with plus sign, okay? Then I will start typing the number. Okay, this is for illustration purpose, okay? So let's say this is the phone number +234 in this case. Then after typing the phone number, whether you want to use the country code or not, after typing it, tap on that plus sign at the upper right, at the top right, okay? Then when you tap on that plus sign, you see two options: create new contact and add existing contact, okay? So this is a new contact. I don't want to add existing contact, okay? So I will select create new contact. Now here, enter the first name and the last name of the person. Let's say this is Mike and the last name is Kennedy, okay? Okay, let's say it's Mike Kennedy. Then after that, you scroll down, you can add other information here, maybe add email address or add URL if he has a website, URL, okay? And so many others, birthday, okay? Add related name and so many other informations you can add, or add Instagram message, instant message, all right? Add verification code. But in most cases, you're just going to add only the first name and the last name, or if possible the company name added, okay? Then once you're done with this, you are okay that you have added the phone number. What you need to do is to tap on the done button at the upper right. You can see that button there, tap on it. And now this contact is saved in your iPhone. So anytime you want to see contacts that are there, maybe you want to call this guy, just tap on the contacts icon. This will display some contacts on your phone. You can use the search box to get to that particular contact. And in this case, I saved Mike Kennedy. So let me tap inside the search and type in Mike Kennedy. You can see as I'm typing, the best match is displayed, okay? And Mike Kennedy is here, so I can tap on it and call him from here, okay? Then I'll tap on the call button for me to call the guy wherever he is. So this is how to add contacts on iPhone and how to call a contact. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and insurance, basic guide on technology, right? So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment if you have further questions. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.